Hello students, our today's topic is method of transformation in case of plants. So you all know about that what is transformation and what is transfection. The transformation is that the transfer of any foreign DNA into the any another species, that is the host plant, by, and this process is known as the transformation in case of the plants, and same procedure repeat will be continue occur in the case of animals, but in case of animal the term will be changed, that is transfection. But there are various method of the transformation in case of plants for for to producing the transgenic crops, but two most popular method as like that indirect method and direct method. In case of indirect method, number of steps, number of methods are used for the transformation, but the most popular method is the agrobacterium mediated gene transfer method. In 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 this method, agrobacterium act as a vector. And second is the direct method. Direct method gene transfer is used, but in this method not used, we are not used any cloning vehicle or any vector, because in this case we directly transfer the gene by the help of specific methods like chemical method, for example PAG, polyethylene glycol, liposuction, microinjection, macroinjection, particle gun method. This particle gun method is also known as the ballistic method. So firstly, let's start. The first example is agrobacterium mediated gene transfer method, and this method is also known as indirect method because in this method we will use the vector or cloning vehicle. We cannot transfer the gene directly in the host organisms. So but by this method following successful transformations occur, like the in case of barley, maize, wheat, rice, etc. This gene transfer technique involve when the transgenic tissue or cell are to be produced and is mediated by the biological vector like the agrobacterium. So here the agrobacterium act as a vector or cloning vehicle. So this agrobacterium mediated gene transfer method involve the following step to produce the transgenic plant. So first step is that they required the gene, that is neogene, which construct and insert with the T region of the Ti plasmid. You all know about that the what is Ti plasmid? Ti plasmid is the tumor inducing plasmid. Second is the rDNA molecule. rDNA molecule are encoded the recombinant DNA molecules. These molecules are added to the co-cultured liquid medium of the agrobacterium, and the leaf disc which are derived from the surface sterilized leaves of the host plant and incubate for the 2 days. तो क्या करेंगे हम एग्रोबैक्टीरियम का एक लिक्विड मीडियम बनाएंगे, उससे पहले क्या करेंगे, किसी भी प्लांट से एक सर्फ लीफ लेंगे, उसको पहले सरफेस स्टेरिलाइज करवाएंगे, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से फ्री करवाएंगे, बिल्कुल क्लीन करवा के उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, उसमें से लीफ डिस्क को रिमूव कर लेंगे. जब लीफ डिस्क को रिमूव करने के बाद हम हर एक लीफ डिस्क को किसके अंदर डाल देंगे, एक्टोबैक्टीरियम के जो लिक्विड मीडियम है उसके अंदर ट्रांसफर कर देंगे और उसको कम से कम 2 से 3 दिन के लिए रख देंगे. During the incubation period, the plant cell release the acetylcysteine chemical which transfer the rtDNA into the many of the plant cells. जो incubation period है उस टाइम पे क्या होगा, जो plant cells हैं वो क्या करेंगे, acetylcysteine chemical release करेंगी, और जो rtDNA, R is the recombinant, T is the transfer, जो rtDNA मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, जो tDNA है वो किसके अंदर ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा, जितने भी प्लांट सेल हम एग्रोबैक्टीरियम में केमिकल के अंदर रखेंगे, मीडियम के अंदर रखेंगे, उसके अंदर. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है, tDNA, that is the transfer DNA, and this transfer DNA, this transfer gene is also called the transgene. Now insert with the plant's genome and express itself. Next, the neogene make the plant cell resistant to the kanamycin. Now, after this, the leaf discs are transferred into the shoot regeneration medium containing the amount of kanamycin and cerebinacillin, which kill the bacterial cell. Both the kanamycin and cerebinacillin help in the या फिर removal of the bacterial cell या फिर bacterias from the liquid medium, culturing medium. You all know about that कि which type of hormone is used for the shoot regeneration and shoot elongation. So within the agrobacterium culture medium also used of the growth hormones like gibberellin and auxin, cytokinin, etc. because these all three, gibberellin, cytokinin and auxin, these all are the growth promoter. Next is the kanamycin stimulate the division of transformed plant cell to regenerate shoot in the about 3 to 4 week. Clear? After the formation, after the regeneration of the shoot, then shoot are excised and placed in the root regeneration medium and containing kanamycin and ceramycin. Also role play here same like the kill the bacterial cell and to regenerate the roots. This is the diagrammatical procedure of the formation of transgenic plant by the help of agrobacterium mediated gene transfer method. Firstly, we will take the any plant leaf and get sterilized with the help of surface sterilization in the laminar airflow hood. After this, we will remove the leaf disc or leaf cell. These are the leaf disc. सबसे पहले क्या लेंगे हम, कोई भी प्लांट से लीफ लेंगे और उसको क्या करेंगे, सरफेस स्टेलाइज करेंगे बाय द हेल्प ऑफ द केमिकल. आफ्टर दिस उसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम, इसमें से प्लांट सेल्स को रिमूव करेंगे, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड लीफ डिस्क. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, एग्रोबैक्टीरियम का एक लिक्विड मीडियम प्रिपेयर करेंगे और उसके अंदर सारे की जितनी भी लीफ डिस्क है उनको ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. क्लियर? एंड उसको कितने टाइम के लिए रखेंगे, अबाउट 2 days. 2 days रखने के बाद उसके बाद क्या होगा कि सारी की सारी जो लीफ डिस्क हैं वो उनको क्या करवा लेंगे, एक बार ड्राई करवा लेंगे. किसकी हेल्प से, विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनी ब्लॉटिंग पेपर और द फिल्टर पेपर. देन these leaf discs are transferred in the shoot regeneration liquid medium, and this is the shoot regeneration liquid medium, and these are the leaf discs, and the upper is the filter paper and the remaining is the feeder cells या फिर dead cells. And these leaf discs keep in the shoot regeneration medium about for 2 to 3 days. After this, the shoot regeneration medium plus kanamycin plus cerebinacillin all are added and the shoot regenerate in the 3 to 4 week. So these are the leaf disc and these are the appearance of the small shoot, and this is the culturing medium. After that, after producing the small या फिर appearance of the shoot, excise the shoots and again prepare the root regeneration medium, and with the root regeneration medium added plus kanamycin and cerebinacillin, and within the 2 to 4 week root will be regenerate and appear like that. Small hair like structures are appear toward the surface and a small erect elongated stem appear, and at this stem on the nodal portion few small leaf like structure appear. So this is the complete procedure of the transformation by the help of indirect method, that is agrobacterium mediated gene transfer method.